Hi guys, today we're going to see how you can add the UPI payment gateway to your e-commerce website. So let's say you have an e-commerce website on WordPress, and on the checkout page, you want to give your customers a way to make payments using UPI payment apps like Google Pay, PhonePe or Paytm. You can do that easily by watching this video. So after watching this video, you will be able to add a UPI payment option to your checkout page like this. And when a customer has to make the payment, they can simply scan this code on the UPI app to make the payment. And once the payment is done, you'll receive it into your bank account linked to your UPI app. Okay, now all you need to follow this tutorial is an e-commerce website built with WordPress. If you don't have one, you can easily create it by watching this video. This is Brian for Website Learners, and let's add the UPI payment option on our e-commerce website. So first, let's look at our website where we want to add the UPI payment option. Here it is. So this is the site which I built using WordPress. So let's go to our shop page. Now if we add this product to cart and click proceed to checkout, you can see we don't have a UPI payment option here. So to add a UPI payment option to this site, we are going to do two simple steps. The first step is to install the UPI plugin in WordPress. So to install the plugin, let's go to our WordPress dashboard. Now go to plugins, click add new. Now search for a plugin called UPI QR code. And you'll get this plugin. This is the plugin which is going to help us add the UPI payment option to our site. So to install the plugin, let's click install and then click activate. So now we have successfully installed the plugin. And once you've installed the plugin, we can now go to the second step, which is to set up the plugin. Once you set up the plugin, the UPI payment option will be added to your website. So to set up the plugin, click settings here. Now make sure this option is selected. Here you need to choose whether you want to collect your customer's UPI ID. By default, your customers need to enter the UPI ID like this to make the payment. If you don't want to collect the ID, you can remove this field. Just click here and select the hide field option. Then click here and select this. This makes it easier for customers to pay directly without entering the UPI address. Once you're done, scroll down and enter your shop's name. Now this will appear on your QR code like this. Then here you need to enter the UPI ID where you want to receive your payments. So to get your UPI ID, open the UPI app, just click here. And as you can see, we have got our UPI ID. Once you get this ID, just type it in this field. So now when a customer makes a payment, you'll receive that payment in your bank account, which is linked to this UPI ID. So once you've entered your UPI ID, you can choose what details the customer has to share after making the payment. You can either get the transaction ID or the screenshot of the payment, or both. I only need the transaction ID, so let's hide the screenshot field by clicking here and selecting hide field. Next, let's say a customer purchases a product using their mobile. Now while making the payment, they might not be able to scan the QR code. So in this case, you can give them an option to pay directly using their UPI apps. So to show these payment buttons, simply enable this option. And if you don't want to display the QR code on your mobile device, you can remove it by clicking here. Once you're done with the settings, click Save Changes. Alright, the plugin setup is now complete. And once you set up the plugin, the UPI payment option will be added to your website. To check how the UPI payment option looks on the website, let's go to our checkout page. Now here you can see that we do not have the UPI payment option. But if we click refresh, you can see that we've got the UPI payment here. Now your customers can make the payments on your e-commerce site using popular UPI apps like Google Pay. Next, let's check if the payment option works. So to check it, let's fill up these details. Then click proceed to payment and it will take you to this page. Now to complete the payment, your customer needs to scan this code on the UPI app. So just like a customer would do, let's open our UPI app, scan this code. And as you can see, we have got the product amount here along with the order ID. Now if we click pay, you can see that the payment has been made. And we've got the transaction ID here. Okay, so now if the customer goes back to our site and clicks proceed, it'll ask them to enter the transaction ID. So they can enter the 12-digit ID and click confirm. And you can see that the order has been placed successfully. Perfect. The payment option is working as expected. Okay, so this is how your customers can order your products using the UPI payment option. Now your customers will receive an email about the order. So now if we go to our customer's inbox, open the mail. Here you can notice that they have a message that says the order is still on hold. So to notify your customer that you have received the payment, you need to change the order status on your website. Let's check whether we have received the payment from our customer. So once the customer has made the payment, if you open your UPI payment app, here you can see a new name has appeared. Now if you click on it, you can see that we have received the payment and you can also see the order number here. Okay, once you have received the payment, you can now change the order status on your website. And to do that, just go to your dashboard and click orders. Here you can see the order using the UPI payment. Just open it. And here you'll find the order details and the transaction ID that the customer has entered during the payment. Now make sure to double check this ID with the one in your UPI app where you have received the payment. If the IDs match, you can proceed to update the order status accordingly. Now to change the order status, just click here, change the status to processing and click update. And the order status has been updated. Now your customer will receive another email from your website. So let's go to our customer's inbox, open the mail, and here you can see that the order is being processed. So now you can start delivering your product to your customer. Okay, so this is how you can add a UPI payment option on your e-commerce website. And now that you've added a UPI payment option and your e-commerce site is ready to accept payments, is your website hosted on a reliable platform that can handle traffic and ensure smooth transactions? If not, you might want to check out Webspace Kit. It's a web hosting platform that makes it super easy to launch and build your WordPress sites. You get a free domain, free SSL, and tons of themes and plugins to choose from. Plus, you can build your site with drag and drop options with no coding required. And if you sign up using the link in the description below, you get a 10% discount. So if you want to take your online store to the next level, consider moving to Webspace Kit. Okay, now we've seen how the UPI payment works when a customer tries to order from their computer. Now let's say your customer is visiting your site from their mobile phone and they want to purchase this product. How will they pay using their mobile phone? So next, let's see how your customers can purchase a product from their mobile phone using the UPI payment option. To purchase this product, all you have to do is just click on Add to Cart and click here. Then click Proceed to Checkout. Fill up these details. Click Proceed to Payment. And here you can see that we've got the UPI payment option. Now to complete the payment from their mobile, all they have to do is just click on any UPI option and it will open the UPI app. Now if they click Pay, you can see that the payment has been made. Now if they click Proceed, it will ask for the transaction ID. Once they enter it and click Confirm, they are back on their site. And you can see that we successfully placed the order. So this is how your customers can purchase a product on your mobile phone using UPI. So that's it guys. Now you know how you can add the UPI payment option on your e-commerce website. And don't forget, if you're looking for a reliable web hosting for your online store, Webspace Kit offers 10% discount when you sign up through the link in the description. Now we've also built a powerful AI tool called GravityWrite that can help you create compelling product descriptions, promotional emails, and even social media updates. So check out GravityWrite, the AI tool with ready-made templates for all your e-commerce content needs. Also, make sure you subscribe to Website Learners to get more videos like this one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.